Welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial, you are going to learn that how to create GIF plots using Matplotlib and ImageView. So this stuff we are going to complete in two steps. So step 1 involves plotting multiple images using Matplotlib. I mean, we will plotting say that 10 or 5 figures, and the file name should be in such fashion. I mean, they should be indexed labeled by an index 1 2 3 4, and step 2 will be to get GIF image using above images. Okay, so our image maybe look like this, single image, and maybe our GIF maybe visualize as follows. You can see that it is changing. I mean, you can see that the number of plots in the figure is increasing as time passes. So this you have to do using ImageView and Matplotlib. So let's do it. So first step is to create multiple PNG image or JPG image using Matplotlib. So let's do it. So for that, first import libraries. So import libraries. So import NumPy, import NumPy as np, and this will take care of your array, 1D array, and then import Matplotlib, matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So this will take care of your plotting. Now we will define our x data. So we will define our x, define x data. So x, I can say x equal to np dot linear space, and I can go from minus 100 to 100, and I can give say, you can give say 1000 data points. So this become our x. Now you can define your say you can define your y. So you want to plot multiple images. So for that you need to use your the for loop. Okay, so use for loop to plot multiple plots. Okay, so for that you got your x. Now you want to plot multiple images, so we will define a parameter. You can define a parameter, so you can say that for parabola, plotting parabola, so you can define a equal to, you can define say 100 minus 200, 300 minus 400, 500 minus 600, then minus 700 minus 800, maybe 800 minus 900, and then 1000. So you got here 10 parameters, and then you will be using for loop to create the plots using parameters. So for that, type here for I in range length of a. Okay, and then define your y. So you can give your y equal to a of I into x square for parabola, and you can add some constant. So you can add 5 into a of, maybe you can add 100 into a of I. Okay, so this becomes your a of your y. Now plot it. So for that, type plt dot plot. You can pass your x, y. You can pass your x comma y, and then plt dot, you can type plt dot show. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that we have got here 10 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now this we have 10 images, and 10 images you can see in a single plot if you want. If you shift the plot to the leftmost, so the plot will look like that. You can also make some line width equal to 7. So this becomes a plot. Okay, and so using these plots we have to make zip. I mean, you can plot, your plot can be visualized as a movie or a zip file one by one. Okay, so now for that we have to save this image. Okay, so for that, type here plt.show and comment it for time being. And now save the image. Okay, now save. Before that, you can also give label to this plot if you want. You can give label equal to, you can give x curly bracket and then y curly bracket, and you can give format. I mean, like which plot is your for which x or x and y. So you can give format I. You can give, so like 0 plot, 1 plot, this way, and then you can type here plt dot legend, and then you can plt dot save figure, and you can give your folder F, and then you can give your say P zip. You can give zip underscore plot or zip plot underscore I dot png. So now this will create a folder gplot and give with index of that image. So run it. Now check it. So you can check it. Zip plot directory, and you got here all the plots. Okay, now our second step is to plot this single images as a zip format. Okay, so for doing that we need to import library called Imagio. So import library and import as import Imagio. So this will be used to read the image and as a zip file. Now you can give your file, I mean all the, you can give file name of each plots. Now you can give file equal to as a list. You can give say, so in our directory they are right in this style. Okay, figure, you have zip, so you have plot zip plot. Okay, so we have in this format, zip plot _0 to 9. So just type it in purpose string, zip plot plot 0. Okay, and in the same fashion you have to give all the 10 numbers. So do it quickly. Now our all figures have been given in format of list. Okay, so now we need to append these all images in a single file. Okay, in a single image. So now append all images into single file. So for that, type here image, or you can just like all images and give it as a array. Okay, as a empty matrix or empty array of images. Now you have to append all images into this empty matrix. So for that, type here for j in file. Okay, in all file, and then type all images dot append, and then imagio dot read all index of image for j. Now save this as a zip file. So for that, type here command imagio dot memshape, and you can give a file name as say my plot dot zip, and then you can pass your image list. So all image, and you can give duration. Okay, you can give duration as a 1 frame per second. Now run it. We have ran the code successfully, and you can check it. So you have to check this file myplot.zip. You can search it, myplot.zip. So this is our zip file. So open it, and here you can see that your plot is operating for different x and y values. So here you can see that this is your zip plot for your all 10 images. So let's run it once again. First image, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So this way you can do simple GIF plotting using Matplotlib and ImageGeo. So let's review the code once again. So we have done this job in 2 steps. So first step is to plot multiple images using Matplotlib. So for that we use for loop and x and a as a parameter, and we have plotted 10 parabolas, and we have saved this file as a save figure in a general format for like same file name and label using a index. And then we have created GIF image using this above images, and we have given file name. We have then appended image in a single empty array of images, and then I have saved using imageo.memsave, and I've also given the frame second duration as a 1 frame per second. So this way you can do. So thank you.